Now we are in Hilton Hotel. This is the elevator lobby. So, this way. I'm staying in the last room here. Okay. Last one. Okay. Where is the light switch? Okay. All right, so let's check the room. This is a Hilton Hotel in Seattle. So this is the entrance. What we got here: standard safe. Okay, hangers, ironing board is for the luggage. Good. Bathroom is fine. Nice big mirror, so when you close, you can actually see everything. I'm using my point of view camera, so I don't need to hold it. So again, this is lotion, got soap, paper, hand towels. It's kind of old, I see it's kind of yellow. What's that? Okay. But not, yeah, I see it's kind of old, but it's not too bad. Some soap residue. They can do some better cleaning. In general, it's not bad. Okay. Nice big bed. Okay, what we got here? Can make some coffee, tea. It's the fridge. Okay, we got fridge in here. Let's open this one. TV. Oh, nice view to the park. Okay. Looks nice. Look at ice bucket. 2 glasses. Oh. Okay. This looks nice. Alright. Yeah. Looks okay. Nothing special. Yeah. AC 70. Okay. Yeah, good. We'll make some coffee later. Alright.